99% of people are quietly burning money on AI tools they don't even need. The top 1% pay $0 and somehow get better results. I know because I was in that 99%. Last month I sat down and added up my subscriptions. Jasper, Grammarly, Synthesia, Otter, one by one, quietly draining my account. Over $500 every single month. So I did something drastic. I cancelled all of it, and I replaced every tool with a free one. Some of them turned out to be better than what I was paying for. These are the 5 that saved me the most money, and stay till the end, because tool number 5 is the one almost nobody is talking about. Let's start. Number 1, your writing tool. I was paying almost $100 a month for Jasper and Grammarly together. Then it hit me. The free versions of Claude and ChatGPT already do everything they did. Writing, editing, fixing my tone, rewriting long scripts. This exact video you're watching right now, written with a free AI. That's $94 a month gone for nothing. If you're still paying for a writing tool in 2026, this is your sign to stop. Number 2, research and notes. And this one is my favorite because it's completely free. No paid tier, no catch. Google NotebookLM takes your own documents, your PDFs, your notes, and it reads them for you. It summarizes them. It even turns them into a full podcast you can listen to on the go. I feed it my messy research and it hands me back clean, organized notes. Otter used to charge me for a tiny piece of this. Now I pay absolutely nothing and I get more. Number 3, video editing. Here's the truth nobody tells you. If you make faceless content like this video, you do not need expensive editing software. CapCut's free version now has AI captions, background removal, and voice cleanup built right in. All the stuff that used to sit behind a monthly paywall is just there, free. I'm not exaggerating when I say this is genuinely the only editor I use now. Number 4. And this one honestly shocked me. Synthesia charges $67 a month to make AI videos. But let me tell you a secret. Most creators don't actually need a talking avatar. What they really need is a fast video with a voiceover, captions, and good footage. That's it. And in videos, free plan does exactly that. You paste in a script and it builds the entire video for you. $67 a month. Replaced just like that. Number 5, the one almost nobody talks about, Perplexity. This is the tool I open every single day without fail. The free version gives you real answers, but here's the part that matters. It attaches the sources. So you're never sitting there wondering if the AI just made something up. It quietly replaced 3 separate research tools I didn't even realize I was depending on. If you only take one tool away from this entire video, please make it this one. So let's add up what just happened. Claude or ChatGPT for writing, NotebookLM for research, CapCut for editing, InVideo for video, and Perplexity for search. Over $500 a month of subscriptions, completely replaced by 5 tools that cost you nothing. Here's the lesson. You never needed the expensive stack. You just needed to know which free tool actually gets the job done. Now, I know some of you want a shortcut, so I put together a free ebook. All 5 tools, the exact step-by-step setup for each one, and the personal prompts I use to squeeze the best results out of them. It costs you nothing. The link is sitting in the description. Grab it, follow it, and start saving that $500 a month, starting today. And if this video saved you money, do one small thing. Subscribe. I break down a fresh AI tool stack exactly like this every single week. Catch you in the next one.